So installing the rudder tubing, one side has like a mushroom top and one doesn't. If they both do, cut one off. What you want is the mushroom top's gonna sit here while you push through that one that doesn't have it. And the technique to get this through is a little nail on the end of some string or fishing line and a magnet, preferably one that's stronger than this, because this is a bit difficult, but it still does a job. Once you've got the tubing through, you're going to mount that end that you cut or didn't have a mushroom top, so it mushrooms. I'll show you. Just with a lighter, it will go like that, so it doesn't pull back through, and you're going to put a little grommet on there. So a 10mm hole there. I believe it's a 5mm for this side. So to start the nail on nylon, I'll just put the head in first because then it's easier. And then get your magnet. You can see it's started. And then slowly pull it through. This may take a few attempts because it's a bit hit and miss. You have to like sort of dodge things like this. If it go up, go under it. Just go through here. You can see it's still pulling. This is going to be the tricky part. This is the part that we either lose it and try again, or it comes out first go if you're lucky. So we're going to try, pop it over. That sounds good. Okay. Very hard with one hand, but we got it. First try. So now you're going to tie the cut end onto here, start it, and then push it as far through as you can, and then the line will just help you get it out this last part here. So now that I got the tube in, you just want to keep making sure it's still attached. You just keep pushing this through. It's got a little bit left. Just leave like that much. And now I'm just going to try to put it through. Okay. A little bit more. This one's a bit shorter, I think. Okay, I see it. Just going to give it a little tug. There we go. And there we got it. So now you need to put a little grommet on here, untie that, and then heat up that and it'll mushroom. Okay, so I'm just going to undo the line. Unfortunately I did squash it a little bit too much, but should be able to pull that out. Might just hit, okay, we're just going to cut that bit off. Stick that on. So as I suggest you put some like marine grade, like Sikaflex or something on this, just to seal it off a little bit better. Nice and snug, and then cut that off. Give us a nice nice end. You don't even have to touch it, it just mushrooms itself. Perfect. It won't get, the reason why you do that is so it doesn't get pulled back through there. Now we're done.